Today, Southern Gardening is in Carriere, Mississippi at Backhouse Gardens, admiring some beautiful native plants growing on the property. Let's take a closer look at some of the plants growing in the gardens. I love the Star Anise shrub tucked in the back of the gardens. Star Anise prefers part shade to shade, but some varieties will tolerate more sun if given enough moisture. They tolerate loam or sandy soils that are moist to wet with neutral or acidic pH. In spring, unique red flowers attract many beneficial pollinators. The flowers are followed by green seed pods that add to the character of this plant. The seed pods will develop and turn brown later in the year. If you crush the leaves, stems, and seeds, an anise spice fragrance fills the air. A native plant that some people consider a weed, Spiderwort, looks great in the gardens at Backhouse Garden. Spiderwort is a herbaceous clump-forming perennial in the dayflower family. This plant spreads by underground stolons forming clumps and grows 2 to 3 feet tall by 1 foot wide. It has gorgeous three-petaled flowers that are produced daily in terminal clusters. The flower colors range from blue to purple to pink. Once they have finished blooming, cut back the stems. Spiderwort prefers moist to well-fertile sites, but adapts to average garden soils in sun to shade. I love all the other native plants throughout the gardens too. My favorite feature in the gardens is the goldfish pond with a cascading waterfall. It is a great focal point for all of the native plants in the surrounding garden beds. As you can see, native plants can add beauty and charm to your landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.